Hello everyone, my name is Tikeshwari Pradhan. Today I am going to teach a human physiology system, that is integumentary system. So let's start about the integumentary system. The integumentary system compared the skin and its appendages acting to protect the body from various kind of damage such as loss of water or damage from outside. The integumentary system is the largest system of the body. Integumentary system is mainly known as skin, hair and nails. So let's start about the skin. The skin, also known as the cutaneous membrane and largest organ of the human body. Two main components present in the skin, that is epidermis and dermis. Epidermis is known as superficial epithelium and dermis is known as underlying city with blood supply. So let's start about epidermis. Epidermis is made of two terms like epi and dermis. Epi means on top and dermis means skin. Epidermis produced by division of stratum basal. 8 to 10 layers of keratinoids bound by desmosome. Epidermis is the most superficial layer of the skin. The epidermis consists of keratinoids and it is also known as epithelium. Dermis. The dermis, which is below the epidermis and consists loose connective tissue and dense irregular tissue. Hypodermis. Hypodermis is also divided by two terms, hypo and dermis. Hypo means below and dermis means skin. Hypodermis is also known as superficial fascia or substance tissue. Let's start about function of the skin. Protection, excretion, vitamin D synthesis, thermoregulation and sensation. The skin protects the body from mechanical trauma, pathogen and environmental damage, protect from bacteria and virus, and protect from ultraviolet radiation. Excretion. The skin excrete waste and impurities via sweat. Excretion of the skin through precipitation. Vitamin D synthesis. The skin synthesizes vitamin D when exposed to ultraviolet regulation or ultraviolet radiation. Vitamin D synthesis is needed for calcium absorption. Thermoregulation. The skin maintains a stable internal temperature through negative feedback loops. Sensation. The skin has sensory receptors that detect internal and external environment change such as heat, cold and pain. The epidermis. In epidermis present keratinocyte. Keratin is fiber tissue, make up 90% of cell in the epidermis. Epidermis are joined by the desmosome. It's arranged into strata or layers-like structure. Layers of epidermis: stratum corneum, stratum lucidum, stratum granulosum, stratum spinosum, stratum basal. So let's start about stratum corneum, that is most superficial layer of the epidermis. Several layers of cell are dead and flat, and the flat ended are consist of keratinoids. So let's start about stratum lucidum. that is deep to the stratum corneum, found in thick skin, clear layer of the dead keratinoids. Let's start about stratum granulosum. It is middle layer of the epidermis. It is 3 to 5 row of cells excrete a lipid-based substance. Stratum spinosum. Deep to the stratum bacilli. Thickest stratum of the epidermis. Cell are metabolite cell and it is synthesis to help the vitamin D. Let's start about stratum bacilli. The stratum bacilli is the deepest layer of the epidermis and it is also known as stratum. So let's start about hair. Hair or pili are filamentous structure that is project from the skin surface. Hair in different area of the body all carry out different protective function. Eyelashes and eyebrow keep foreign objective out of the eyes. Nose hair prevents the inhalation of insect and harmful particles. Hair on the head protect the body from UV radiation or mechanical. The dermis. Dermis are present in the below of the epidermis and it is also known as house's blood supply. Dermis consists of two layers, that is pupillary layer and reticular layer. So let's start about pupillary layer. This layer is made of connective tissue, more superficial large of the dermis. Collagen fiber are present in the dermis layer and epidermis together. So let's start about the reticular layer. Deepest and thickest layer of the dermis consists of dense irregular connective tissue, collagen fiber that substance than the dermis layer. Blood vessels and accessory structures are present. Accessory structure like hair and sweat gland, etc. Structure of the hair. Sept. Protection of the hair that protects from the surface of the skin. Root. Part of the hair that is embedded in the dermis of the skin. Hair papilla. Indentation, the base of the hair bolt that connects the blood vessels. Hair bolt. Structure at the deep end of the hair follicle. Hair matrix. Structure at the basal of the hair bolt that produce new hair via mitosis. Hair follicle infolding surrounding the hair root. Epithelial root sheet has two parts. So let's start about nails. Nails are hard structure that are located end of our digit that contain hard keratins. Nail function to protect our underlying tissue and enable to gripping and manipulation. There are many structure of nails that helps to it carry out its function. So let's start about the function of the nails. Nail plate, part of the nail that rests on top of epidermal nail bed. Nail bed, deep to terminal part, nourished and protect the nail. Nail body, visible part of the nail. Nail root, lies under the skin. Nail matrix, part of the nail with living dividing cell, supplies oxygen to the nail site of nail growth. Proximal nail fold cover the edge of the root. Eponychine, also known as the cuticle found at the base of the nail, protect the matrix from the ingestion. Nail folds, overlapping of the skin that borders the nail, laying and mature. Lineal, provides safe where keratin accumulation. Nail growth. Nail growth occurs in the matrix. On average, fingernail growth about 0.5 mm a week. Nails, on the other hand, grow slowly. One of the most common conditions of the nails is an ingrowth nail. Ingrown nail usually occurs in the toenail. This is a condition in which the nail grows into the tissue, needle, or larger to the nail. Symptoms include pain, inflammation, suffering of the nail, and sometimes infection in the nail. By the removal of nail or by administering the chemical to the nail of the killer, in this the case. Go through the link and some practice question are there. Attempt the practice question. Thank you.